My name is Marie Baril. I actually own a job called Long Track, where we fit a fixture into the steering wheel. It tests to make sure that it's all running straight. The car is a finished product, and we just make sure that everything is tightened underneath the front, like for steering purposes and pull and drag. It's an audit, really. We make sure they're okay, and then we ship them out. I test drive too. So after we do our audit, we have to test drive them around the track. So we're listening for all the things you can't hear inside the plant. I take a lot of pride in what I do. It is the last step of defense. There's a good crew down there, and it's nonstop. I really wanted to be a nurse, but coming in here, I work with my hands. I understand the process and what line's moving what. I know where things are built. I had a supervisor once, and I was kind of his sidekick. He taught me so much. He would throw me to the wolves, but I would come back knowing more. I couldn't let him down. He saw something in me I didn't know existed. He's one of the reasons I'm still here.